What's up guys, me Akhilesh. Today I'm going to show you how to install STS and how to make our first project in STS means Spring Tool Suite IDE. So let's start. For that we have to open the Chrome browser and search for download STS and go to the first link on the Google, and this will show you the Spring Tool Suite ID website from where you can download this one for Windows. Okay, and this is the ID related to and same as Eclipse, and this provide the ready to use environment to run, debug and deploy our application Spring applications. So let it be download, then we can proceed with the installation, and we are going to make our first project in Spring Boot, and also we can run that. So wait for a minute. It is still downloading. So the STS ID is already downloaded, so we can go to the download location. So this is the Java executor file Spring Tool Suite. So we can copy this and move to this local Dixie location, and we can make one folder with STS name and go inside, put this here. So double click on this and it will extract the STS released. So yeah, it is extracting. Wait for a minute, let it complete. So jar file, so Java executed file is extracted successfully. So go inside this location and there is an executable file. So double click on this and it will open our STS. Yeah, so we need to give the full file location. Before that, now what I do, we all I always have to come in this location and open the STS, this executable file. So what I do now, basically I just make one folder here, like what we need to do now, basically come to this new and add that executable file in this shortcut. So just select the location where your STS is. So come to this PC, then C drive, then STS location, then come to this folder. Now you have Java, that is Spring Tool Suite exe file. We just select this and confirm, and then next. You can give name as this and then finish. Yeah, you have a shortcut created on your desktop. So now you can easily open that exe file from here directly. Yeah, this is a shortcut, this is the catch. Now what you we do, we just go to our file location where we want to open our STS. So select this location and launch, continue. it is opening. Wait for a second. Yeah, this is the interface of STS. So we are going to create our Spring Boot project. So just click here, just go to the new, then there is Spring Starter project. So this is the interface coming. This is the Spring start.spring.io. This is the Spring initializer website link. So we can also confirm this from the website. Yeah, this is opening. This is the Spring initializer, and that is already integrated in the STS. So uh, we can use that initializer through the STS and make our project. So we can give the name of our project as Spring Boot project. Then we can give the name as Spring dot Spring dot o dot project. Like this, you can give any name. Okay, and you can also give the name as this package dot first, or you can give as app. Now click on next button. Now we have option, so we can select the web like Spring Web. So when you hover on this, then this show you that this Spring is used to build the RESTful API as well as web applications, which is using Spring MVC, and it is embedded with the Tomcat server. So it provides this. So we use Spring Web and then finish. And then it is importing some started content, and after that our Spring project is created. So wait for a second. It have to import some Maven dependencies. So it is building project. So building Spring Boot project is completed. And do you want to enable Java regarding it? So here our project is created. So this is the src file in which we whatever we created our package. Inside this we have a Java file. This is a main class uh, from which any Java boot applications run. So this is the src main resource where we there is application dot properties where we add the configuration of database uh, database connectivity we are doing the do from here. So this is the jars dependency jars that is automatically downloaded with this Spring project. So this is the interface. So when we want to run this as a Spring project now, then we just right click on this screen and just run as a Spring Boot app. Okay, yeah, our this project is running. You can see, just double click on console and it will show you that Tomcat started on port number 8080. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.